The Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 isn't trying to be comfortable. It's trying to survive. This truck was built for dirt, rocks, mud, and places roads don't exist. Locking differentials, massive suspension travel, and a stance that looks ready for war. While most pickups are turning into luxury SUVs, this one goes the opposite. Direction. Loud, wide, heavy, purpose-built. It doesn't care about fuel numbers or city parking. It cares about one thing: getting through anything in front of it. Some trucks are designed to sell. This one is designed to dominate. Would you actually use it the way it was meant to be used?